Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Optishot 2 Golf Simulator. With unparalleled 16 high-speed 48 MHz infrared sensors, the Optishot 2 is precisely tuned for tracking club swing data. Calibrate your favorite clubs, see your shot patterns, and get instantaneous feedback on every shot. Each Optishot 2 simulator comes preloaded with 15 standard courses. Register using the product key found on the bottom of the swing pad to get updates and purchase platinum courses. Windows system requirements: Windows Vista, 7, 8 or 10, graphics card, 256 MB available adapter RAM with OpenGL 2.0 support and the latest video drivers, 3 GB HDD storage, 4 GB RAM, USB 2.0 port. You're looking to improve your golf game, play all year round or compete with friends and family? Optishot can deliver. Play Optishot on your computer and pair it with your HD TV or projector. Discover a new world of golf with Optishot 2. With unparalleled 16 high-speed 48 MHz infrared sensors, Optishot is precisely tuned for tracking club swing data. Calibrate your favorite clubs, see your shot patterns, and get instantaneous feedback on every shot. Our second best golf simulator is Flightscope Golf Simulator. The portable Mevo Plus is the perfect practice tool for golfers to take to the driving range for practice sessions, warming up for a round, or having some fun with family and friends. The Mevo Plus provides 16 accurate data parameters including carry distance, total distance, club head speed, ball speed, smash factor, angle of attack, spin rate, spin axis, spin loft, horizontal launch angle, vertical launch angle, lateral landing, roll distance, shot shape, apex height, flight time. The Mevo Plus and your mobile device are synced to automatically record, clip, and save videos of every shot with overlays of your selected data parameters. Users can share videos via social media, text, email, and more. The Flightscope Skills app allows users to dial in distance and accuracy control with virtual targets that add purpose and pressure to every practice session. Users can hit shots at virtual targets in the software and compete against family, friends, and other Flightscope users around the world. The Flightscope Skills app gives users detailed visual results at the end of each practice session to help analyze and interpret the session. Users can compare performance with PGA Tour averages. Third pick in our list is FiGolf Golf Simulator. FiGolf is the first golf simulator featuring 3 amazing golf apps in one place: FiGolf, WGT, and E6 Connect that are loved by many professional golfers and fans alike. FiGolf includes multiplayer games, 3D swing analysis, and much more. With WGT you can combine the app you love with your real golf swing. E6 Connect includes high-quality courses, driving ranges, mini-games, tournaments, and other customizable features. FiGolf includes a state-of-the-art sensor and swing stick allowing you to practice your golf swing on the best courses in the world wherever you go. The multi-platform FiGolf app offers 3D swing analysis and putting line graph for you to analyze your swinging, driving, chipping, and putting from different lies on the fairway, rough, bunkers and green. Types of swing data provided include head speed, swing path, tempo, face angle, attack angle, and estimated distance. FiGolf is a golf game simulator which is simple to use and enjoyable for all levels of golfing expertise, from golfing beginners to pros. There are many ways to play, including playing world-class golf courses, WGT head-to-head online, playing FiGolf Pass and play with friends and family on nearest the pin mode, or E6 Connect's exciting games or different modes to choose from. It's so easy to use, even the least tech-savvy can play with ease. Number 4 in our side is the TerraKart Indoor Golf Simulator. This simulator uses a net or panel behind your golf impact screen before use. The combination of screen and net results in long golfing experience. Safe for use inside or outside for hours of entertainment with family and friends. Absorbs the impact of balls that come in contact with the screen. Provides endless practice opportunities at any time during any weather condition. Use this multifunctional indoor screen as an impact screen, projection screen, and baffle net. Number 5 in our top 5 best golf simulator list is AKIK Indoor Golf Simulator. This simulator package, exclusively offered by Shop Indoor Golf, offers one of the best balances between affordability, quality and performance that we've ever seen. It's also one of the most popular simulators on the market. It's ideal for those who want to spend 4 figures or less, who want the best value for the money, and who have enough space to accommodate a slightly larger setup. With this simulator setup, you can count on being able to dial in your swing and take your game to the next level. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.